Brian Henry, tattoo artist up here in Evergreen, Colorado, and I'm building a van out. You guys want to see it? Let's go. I just started following tons of van life Instagrams, and I was hooked. And I was like, how do I get one of these? And I was like 9 years ago. And I've just been seeing these damn sprinters rolling around everywhere all over America. And then obviously seeing the flares, I didn't really know what the purpose was of them. And then everyone started to say, it definitely helps you with the space in the van. And I actually reached out to you not knowing you were in Evergreen. And I was like, yeah, I need flares. I'm tall and I want that space in the van for more activities. And yeah, and you're like, oh, you're in Evergreen. Let's grab a beer. A week later, you had mentioned that there was the Hood River Adventure Van Expo. And you're like, yo, I dare you to go. I'm like, okay. So I flew into Oregon and I rented a Eurovan, old like 80s, 70s, 80s Eurovan. So it was just really good networking and figuring out how I want to build my van. Towards the end of the show, a few of us packed up our vans and rolled up towards Mount Hood. Yeah, we pulled up to this little parking spot and this chick knew of a cliff jump spot, and we hiked down there and it was a little sketchy. And yeah, I mean, that water's got to be some of the coldest water on the planet. It's like straight runoff from Mount Hood, you know, like it was probably snow the day before. Yeah, it felt pretty good to like just cruise the P&W.
What up, B-Hands?
What's going on?
What are we doing today?
We are working on the van.
Yep.
We are putting some flares on, trim rings, bed system. Pretty excited. I always like to see how things go and, you know, how it all gets put in. See how the process is, you know, and it is like a DIY kit. And I like to be hands-on. I like to cut shit. I like to, you know, and I never get to do that because I'm a tattoo artist, but I'm like a perfectionist. So I want to see how it's done as well. And then I was very hands-on the last 2 days, which is awesome. You guys let me cut a lot of fucking holes in that thing. Just to kind of see it all get put together, you know, from putting the very first hole into the van and then cutting out the hole for the flare. Yeah, I mean, just putting those flares on changes it from like a creeper van to like, you know, now it's a cruiser van. Like, it's ready to go. It's a badass van. Like, it literally changes the look so much with the flares. Fitting the trim ring in there and seeing all the layers of like the bed system and the wall panel, and like everything was just connecting so perfectly. So once the bed system was all fully put in and we started to unbox the actual mattress and everything, and I started to realize like how thought out everything was in the corners, because it was not just like a rectangle mattress. Like, it fits the corners very well, and then the sheets fit the mattress perfect, which is insane to me. I didn't realize it was going to be that thought out, you know, and it just like matches the contour. It goes right up to the back door, and yeah, it's really thought out for sure. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do when this thing is fully built out is definitely go hit the beach. I've been missing the beach and surfing, and this just makes it a lot easier to do all that, you know, and just surf and sleep and surf and sleep and surf and sleep, you know, sleeping sideways. Flarespace did it right, for sure. You guys are killing it.